Hello and welcome to Techno International Bhatanagar. Established in 2012, this college has been providing a pioneering service in engineering education in West Bengal. We are proud to be a member of the Techno India Group, which is one of the largest conglomerates in educational services in Eastern India. We have five different departments. We have computer science and engineering, we have electronics and communication engineering, we have electrical engineering, we have civil engineering and mechanical engineering. We are happy to have a very highly dedicated team of faculty members who are constantly mentoring our students to become complete engineering professionals when they come out after 4 years of graduate studies. The interaction between the teachers and the students are constant throughout the day, whether inside the classroom or outside. We also have a highly cooperative administrative team which were looking for student welfare throughout the whole system. All of us come together with enthusiasm and energy when we have our annual programs, the cultural and technical fests, and the sports program, in which the students not only demonstrate their technical skills, they also show their cultural strengths. Techno International Bhatanagar has always been interacting with thought leaders in industry and academia. These leaders come regularly to our campus when we have our workshops, our seminars, tech talks, and hackathons. These are the forums for students in our college to demonstrate their skills and get feedback from such eminent personalities. This not only gives them more confidence, this will also help in the employability skills in the students. This reflects completely in our stellar placement records. We have 100% placements in the circuits branch in last 2 years, and we have 60% placements in our pro branches. All in all, Techno International Bhatanagar has become a new center of excellence in engineering studies in West Bengal. Come, fulfill your dreams in Techno International Bhatanagar. Thank you.